Okay, now I show you how to do addition from 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 into plus 10. So you can see we can use 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 55. So it's very fast. Even it's better than calculator. It cannot make mistake. Also, for children, they can practice their fingers like play piano. It's very useful too. Try don't use the calculator all the time, but try don't use. But if it's necessary, you can use that. But try don't use that. You can use the abacus or use brain or use head or use paper, but don't use the calculator. That calculator can make your brain lazy. Also, now it's 55. Then I take a minus 1 as the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So until 0. So minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, this is wrong. I can do this again. 55, 55, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. So go back to 0. So you can do this by yourself. Just do this practice from 1 plus 2 plus 3, even plus 200. From 1 and plus every natural number until 100 is 5050. You can do this. Plus the minus, so you know how to do that. If you like this video, you have some requirement, you can write a comment. Also, I can write some formula, special formula about this calculus, abacus, about addition, minus, even multiplication.